Hi, I'm going to show you a recipe for scented Play-Doh. You're going to need a saucepan because we're going to heat all the ingredients up. And the ingredients are plain flour, some salt, sunflower oil, and this is the secret ingredient, cream of tartar, which you may or may not have. Don't worry if you don't have it. What it does is just allows your Play-Doh to last longer if you keep it in an airtight bag. You can get this from Spinneys. And then we need 1 cup of water. So we'll start with flour, 1 cup of plain flour. And you can get your child to help you measure this out. Half a cup of salt. And 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. Doesn't actually matter which type of oil. 2. Okay, and then the cream of tartar. I'm going to use 2 tablespoonfuls or 4 teaspoons. 1, 2. Okay, so now we're ready to heat, and we're going to add the cold water very slowly as we put the heat on. Water in to start. And just start mixing. Now, if you've got any colouring at home, you can add it. If you don't have any, don't worry. It'll just be a sort of cream coloured Play-Doh. So we'll just keep going with water. And today I'm going to make yellow coloured Play-Doh. So in a second I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons full of yellow colouring. So stirring it. Might look a little bit lumpy, but that's okay. Okay, here comes the colouring. Two. Just give it another stir. There's a tiny bit of water left. Once it's all been absorbed, you take it off the heat and just be careful because it is going to be hot. Now the next thing to do is grab a handful of flour, flour your surface, and then you're going to tip out your Play-Doh here. You need to do some serious kneading. This is the secret of good Play-Doh. So just put a bit of, watch out for the heat. This actually isn't too hot. And just put in a bit more flour from your floured surface. And then start your kneading. This is just to get air into it, really. Your child might really like to get involved at this point. So I tend to knead it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Just getting lots of air in. Okay, and when you've done it for 3 or 4 minutes, you're ready to add the scent, ready to add some essence. Okay, here we go. So, I've got a few essences here, and these are all from Spinneys. You can buy them very cheaply. I think some are from Carrefour. Today I'm actually going to do lemon. Here's some lemon flavour. But we've also got banana, pineapple, strawberry, rose. There's even chocolate, although be warned, if you add chocolate scent to your Play-Doh, it might encourage little people to eat it. And the other thing you can do, if you haven't got any essences at all, you could just take some favourite soap and add in a squirt of that to give it a good smell. Or maybe if you've got some detergent that isn't, well, that has a nice smell, you could add that as well, just a tablespoon or so. So I'm going to flatten out my Play-Doh and tip in a little bit of lemon. And then just keep going with the kneading. Check to see if it smells. You might need to add some more. And if it gets a little sticky, you could just add a bit more flour. Oh, I can really smell the lemon now. And there you go. There is your lemon-scented Play-Doh.